Now we are going to do the right hand V thread cutting on lathe machine. By using lathe machine, we'll cut the right hand V thread on a circular workpiece. We can observe already the workpiece is fixed in between the chuck and the tailstock. So before going to do the right hand V thread, we need to set important things in the machine. So before going to set, there is a table given in the lathe machine, so that we can observe here the pitch for the thread, that is 2.25 millimeter, so that we can observe here. So it is given 2.25 millimeter here. So this is for the right hand V thread, and here at the top it is given as lever EF. Okay, that means we have to set the levers given in the machine. So that is, this lever we have to set it to E, and this lever we have to set it to F. So like this, and then we can observe here. So for 2.25 mm pitch, so here 2.25 mm pitch, it is given X2. Okay, this one, another here, this one we have to set it to X2. So by doing this, we can change the gears. We can engage different gears inside the machine, and we can run the right hand V thread cutting operation. And here we have to keep this, the arrow mark here for the threading operation. So we have to move this and set it to this point, should set it to this, that is, the arrow mark should be to the right side. And we have to adjust the speed also. The speed should be adjusted by using this lever. So already the speed is set to 71 rpm here, because we have to move very slowly while thread cutting operations, the spindle speed. Then always during right hand thread cutting operation, the carriage moves from this headstock to tailstock, towards the tailstock. It will move from headstock towards the tailstock. So automatically it will move. So during thread cutting operation, by this we can know that this is the right hand thread cutting operation. So before going to do the thread cutting operation, first we have to check, okay, whether the settings are properly done or not. Okay, for that switch on the machine and observe by engaging this lever. So this lever we have to engage, so that the lead screw will engage with the machine, so that automatically the carriage starts moving from headstock towards the tailstock. So it will move from left side to right side, so that we can observe it is moving slowly from left side to right side. So now again check for the reverse movement of the carriage. So switch on the machine once again and observe the carriage is automatically moving from tailstock towards the headstock. So it is moving slowly, you can observe. Okay, this is the initial checking before going to do the thread cutting operation. You have to do it for all the thread cutting operations. First you touch the tool to the workpiece, bring the tool near to the workpiece and touch it where we are going to do the thread cutting.
Then make it as a 0
on the workpiece
by using a cross slide.
So here by using cross slide,
the scale.
observe the scale. So there the divisions are given. So make it 0 in the scale by using cross slide by touching the workpiece. To do the thread cutting operation, for automatic movement of the carriage, we have to engage this lever with the screw rod. So it is engaged. Now we can start the thread cutting operation. For that we have to give the depth of cut of 0.2 millimeter by using this cross slide, and using this scale we can give the depth of cut. So now we can start the thread cutting operation. Switch on the
before that, apply the oil
machine and apply the oil on the surface of the workpiece where we are going to do the thread cutting. The machine can observe the carriage is slowly moving and the tool is touching the workpiece. Completed. So a small depth of cut is given for thread cutting, and we can observe the initial thread cutting operation is done. Again we have to give further depth of cut by rotating this cross slide wheel, and before that set it 0 by touching the tool to the workpiece. Again give the
Again
depth of
reverse,
cut,
again from reverse.
and again we have to move the carriage reverse. So let's rotate the machine in the reverse direction, spindle of the machine, so that the tool moves again in the reverse direction. So we can observe the thread cutting operation here. Stop the machine. So again using this cross slide hand wheel, set the depth of cut, that is 0.4 millimeter, and switch on the machine so that we can give further depth of cut and we can cut the thread on the workpiece. So now we can observe how it is moving, the tool and threads are cut on the workpiece surface. So continue this same procedure until the complete depth of cut to produce the thread on the workpiece.